Dr. Putu Ngwarara pays courtesy visit to President Mnangagwa. Charts 2026 Empowerment Agenda. Sabina mashoko picture rusecreta pa social media a recent picture chirikwa kunzi aiwa Tungwarara ovisita mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe Amasundanzo Mnangagwa unozikanwa aiwa vari pa annual leave. So subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda pahendo yePresidential Empowerment Fund amudanyira achiti the Presidential Special Investment Advisor Dr. Putu Ngwarara paid a courteous visit to His Excellency President Emmerson Mnangagwa earlier today. During the meeting, Dr. Tungwarara extended his warm wishes to the head of state for a prosperous and successful new year. The engagement was not only a gesture of goodwill, but was a strategic moment for forward planning. President Mnangagwa and Dr. Tungwarara took the opportunity to map out key empowerment programs for the year 2026. Their discussions focused on accelerating inclusive economic growth, fostering youth and women participation in enterprise, and unlocking new investment pathways aligned with Vision 2030. The meeting reaffirmed the administration's commitment to driving sustainable development through targeted empowerment initiatives that uplift communities and stimulate national productivity. Tomashwana buda chitoko panapa pa page empowerment uchinokwanisa Tungwarara achivisita mutungamiri wenyika vachita discussions over the 2026 empowerment agenda. Aiwa zvazvishamisa vanhu but panguva ino vanhu they've got the same question yekuti what kind of empowerment will they be discussing kana vachiziva kuti the same empowerment funds ari kuuya panguva ino achifaniriwa nemaZANU-PF structures. We've seen it in recent days. Tungwarara achipopota achidya magaka mambichi achiti kune ma-affiliates groups nema-leaders arimo muma-affiliates imomo vari kuonekwa kunzi mari dzese dziri kupfuura nemumaoko aPutu Ngwarara. Pane vanhu vari kuuya vachidzibata aiwa vachisheyana vachidistributana imomo the ruling party ZANU-PF. So right now people they are not seeing the importance of empowerment. Just that people wanakwanisa kuti concept empowerment president wazobudisa makati kuempower ma-vendors or whatsoever, but panguva ino kuri kuonekwa kunzi the end receivers vanoreceiver aiwa angova manatsi oga. Imbuditse mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.